So I explored or chose to share after exploring in Canvas the use of discussions within a Canvas module. Discussions are one of the ways that I was able to communicate with my classes of remote choice learners last school year. I had second and third graders from 5 different schools at any given time, and it was very difficult to get everybody online at the same time. So I started depending a lot upon discussions to be able to provide an opportunity to students to share their thoughts and ideas with one another in a platform where everybody could see what each other was saying, and they could also reply back and forth, much like many of our assignments in this CCE course. So, one of the examples that I wanted to share with you was something that I actually used with my students. I'm not so sure that I'm going to be able to show you the replies because I think my students have been deleted from this course. But I can show you what I created. So each week in my social studies modules, I created a discussion board for the students to share things that they thought was of particular interest in the social studies content for this week. Very simple. Again, this was second graders. Simple. They just had to share at least 4 interesting things that they learned in that week's module. I gave them some specific instructions. Be sure to type carefully and incomplete thoughts. They were to like other people's posts and comment on them as well. And then I showed them how to get started. Now, if you'll notice, this is in April, so we were very close to the end of the school year. When I first started this, I was creating videos and posting them within my Canvas module for the week to show them how to access discussions. Unfortunately, I was not able to open those up. This was only one of many, many, many discussion assignments that I had created, but for some reason, all the rest of them aren't showing up. So the children would just click on reply like this, the same way that we do when we do a discussion board here in this course. It got to the point where they became so adept at this that they were posting pictures and videos and themselves sharing things and whatnot. And it became a very interactive and very positive part of my modules each week. So this is something that I would like to consider to continue doing. Now that we're face to face, we are able to do these kind of discussions face to face. But as more children are in and out of the classroom and in quarantine and isolation and whatnot, I think this would be a nice way to pull them into our face to face class discussions when they are not able to be in the classroom.